Today we're looking at the most powerful version yet. It's the remedy to your boring and very limited factory infotainment system that came with your vehicle. Introducing the OneCarStereo CarPlay AI Box HE Pro with HDMI Output, which means you can send whatever you're watching and display it on the other screens in your vehicle. Running the Android 13 operating system, it is smaller and more powerful than ever, and we're going to take a closer look at it. Let's go. Now before you rush out and buy one, make sure it's compatible with your vehicle. A really easy way to check, make sure CarPlay is turned on your phone's options, hook up the appropriate cable, connect it to your vehicle, and if CarPlay starts, then this unit is also compatible with your vehicle. The reason for that is this little guy right here is communicating with your infotainment system through the CarPlay wired connection. Setup is extremely easy. Just plug it into your factory USB port, the same one that you normally use for wired CarPlay, and just give it a few seconds to boot up. Okay, so once you get to your home screen, you can start configuring. I'd go here and set up your internet first. Connect to Wi-Fi, so you can now have internet on the device. Here's where you would connect your phone for Bluetooth connectivity for wireless CarPlay or Android Auto, or making phone calls through the unit. I'll use it to go to my home screen. Now, of course, we have access to many different functions. We have some apps that are just shortcutted here, but we can also bring up all the apps similar to CarPlay, just like this. And you can see there's way more options here than you would have with your factory infotainment system. And of course, we have the Google Play Store. So if we want to add applications, we can do that. Now you also have the ability to do split screen. Now when I press this, you might recognize that guy there, but now we can watch YouTube on one side or Google Maps here. Now you're probably wondering about the rear screens with the HDMI out. Quite easy, find your HDMI cable, plug in your adapter, and then plug the HDMI cable into the adapter. Now whatever's displayed here should show up on your rear screens. Just show you something with the Disney Plus app here.
20 years since we made Freaky Friday. No.
Now while this is playing in the front and sending the signal to the back TVs, it's just sending the signal through the HDMI cable. You don't have any controls here to change what's happening with the main feed. We just get to use these as monitors. Pretty neat though. Definitely a plus for long road trips. Now if you're someone who wants the smartest and most versatile CarPlay AI boxes available, well then the HE Pro is tough to beat.